What's going on, guys? Y'all know who it is. And today I'm gonna be doing the unboxing and review of the Renpho digital scale, smart scale, whatever the hell you want to call it. Got this on Amazon for like $25. I saw all of the Amazon reviews. You know, usually those reviews are reliable for the most part, unless they got the scale for free. I paid for this with my own money. I will show you the receipt if you don't believe me. Here we go, a little cushion to make sure the scale doesn't break. Here is the scale with all its glory. It's wrapped up in some sleeve. I gotta open that. Comes with some AAA batteries, definitely from China. And then here's some manuals. Yeah, so that's basically it. Here is the front of the scale. Looks really nice. Besides this Renpho, people are like, what the hell is that? And here's the back. Here is the battery component. You just gotta take this off. I'm gonna pop in these batteries. And if I'm not mistaken, yes, I am mistaken. Thought there was a USB port here, but I guess there isn't. So I'm gonna pop in these batteries right now. Bro, anybody else have a tough time opening these up? Like, sometimes they're mad tough. Oh. Here is the app, Renpho. You're gonna open this up. So I made an account and it takes you over here to this screen. Now I'm actually sitting down, but I'm just gonna give an example. And there you go. So in order to download the Renpho app, go in your app store, search Renpho. It's gonna be this one with the green scale. Download it, open that, click allow, set up this information, pounds, height, I'm in inches. And I already made an account, so I'm just gonna log in. So this screen pops up. I'm gonna turn all categories on and I'm gonna click all. So for my account here, you're gonna click on settings, and if you want to add a device, go to my connected devices, and you can see there's no device connected. Click this plus button and now it says pairing your device. Step on. This is the bigger screen out of the two, the size difference between the two scales. Here's my hands in comparison. There is that, and here's that. So it's a pretty big size difference between the two, and this one is only about $7 more, so I would recommend to get that. And yep, here is the Renpho weight scale. I'll give an update if anybody wants in a couple of months. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.